我是顿顿 So in my last video, we learned 这两天 these 2 days. Some of you might want to know why it's not 这二天 because when you start to learn Chinese, people told you 2 is 二, right? But in here, I used 两 because 两 is another way saying 2 and we use them in different context. When you only describe the number like 1, 2, 3, you are counting, or you are saying read out the phone number or the room number. You just say 1, 2, 3, 4. You say 二. But when you want to say something, the quantity of something is 2, we normally use 两. For instance, 两个人 2 persons. 两棵树 2 trees. 两条鱼 2 fish, or 两把刀 2 knives. So you can see here, when I use 两 to describe the quantity of something, I said 两, then add the measure word for that thing, then add that thing. Okay, and as you know, we use different measure word for a lot of things, different things. And again, also when you describe time, like 2 o'clock, don't say 二点, say 两点. If you find this helpful, please subscribe my channel and see you in my next video. Bye.